It is our attitude at the beginning of a difficult task which more than anything else will affect its successful outcome. Success depends upon previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. In most things, success depends on knowing how long it takes to succeed. I don't believe in failure. It is not failure if you enjoy the process. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive differences to the world. The worst part of success is trying to find someone who is happy for you. I am a success today because I had a friend who believed in me, and I did not have the heart to let him down. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. He who asks a question is a fool for 5 minutes. He who does not ask a question remains a fool forever. Whatever we believe about ourselves and our ability comes true for us. People who say it cannot be done should not interrupt those who are doing it. He who would learn to fly one day must first learn to stand and walk and run and climb and dance. One cannot fly into flying. The harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. Never be limited by others people's limited imagination. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. You can do what you have to do, and sometimes you can do it even better than you think you can. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. You may be the only person left who believes in you, but it's enough. It takes just one star to pierce a universe of darkness. Never give up.